Unfortunately, we've been having more rainy days than sunny. And while we do let the puppies out in the rain, it's not the best because they make themselves completely muddy and in the house. Not to mention, because the temperatures are dropping, they also get very cold. So it makes me and of course the puppies super happy when we wake up to see the sun out. Because then we know we have at least a little bit of outdoor time without getting completely drenched. It's always this time of year that is the roughest because it's in between hot days and snowy days, so it's always just rain. Either way, the puppies are still having fun. Okay, bye!